I've been interested in this topic for many years. Feedback is one of the main things I do when working with clients, to check the feedback of the client for what I do, but also check my own feedback for what I want to do. Ongoing feedback loop is something that plays like huge role in my work. Start to also be very visible in my life. And for example, I know my relationship I'm in was really following the feedback. So first thing is about to notice feedback and to follow feedback. Is this great idea in process work, how like the events in the world in relationships are some information about my personal process, but also how am I information for the world. We are ongoingly on a feedback loop. Even now when talking, I feel that I start to be flashing, and there is some feedback. Maybe I'm shy, but maybe also I'm excited about what I'm talking. It's almost unconscious, and probably other people will pick up. Some people will feel excited too, other will feel not very comfortable. And everyone has some personal attitude or touch in this feedback process.